So just like addition, there are different operators you can use for subtraction. The subtraction assignment operator subtracts the given value from the current value, then assigns the result back to the variable. Replace your iteration statement with the correct statement using the subtraction assignment operator. So let's get rid of this one and then assign the subtract assignment operator. So it's basically the same as the previous one. It's equivalent also to this. So what this does is, again, for example, we have value of 5 for the variable I. So the operation takes here. Since I is 5, we minus it with 1. Therefore, I becomes 4. So it subtracts 1 to the variable and assigns the results back to the variable. Nice.